our outing for today. Slate wagons. What was that to read? Lovely shape of that tree there, the sheep in front of it. And there's Dinorwic quarry. Nice little ruin there. We're going a little bit further to find the actual main ruin with a water wheel on. Oh, just spinning around slowly. You've got the main Lambert's path going up the mountain there towards Snowdon, and the peak of Snowdon's that one over there. But then you've got the Vivian quarry in front of Llyn Padan, or behind it I should say. And then to the right of that you've got the massive Dinorwic quarry. Beautiful place. We've just come across this next ruin. You can imagine people living here if it was a dwelling. With that view, can't you? Wow. Yep, somebody's parked a car over there. Oh, they've got here. Because the road doesn't look very good, put it that way. Reached the point of the path now where we're going to turn off. We'll just sort of show you this because there's a lovely view going back. As we turn around the gate, we're going to go through the gate into the valley, hopefully to find the water wheel that we're looking for.
The ruin.
At the ruin. And if we're wrong, just blame him. So we hopped over the fence, come here, you can see Dinorwic in the background along this path. And here is our focus of interest today. It's a ruined water wheel. Richard had watched some bloke on a video and he'd been here apparently, so we thought, got in touch, said, do you fancy coming here? I said, yeah, why not? But here we are. It's lovely though, look at the view. Bit of a fireplace in what would have been living quarters. Richard in there doing a bit of a video. Goes into a lot more detail than I do, so it's good information. As you can see, not a lot else to see. Different angle there. You can see the narrow ledge or whatever you want to call it, where the pit where the wheel would be turning. Of course, there's no water here now, but there would have been. You can hear a stream not too far away, so nature taking its usual course. So you can see the stream water close by, running down, meandering away to the right, and then where the house and the water wheel was, nature and the river meandering, you know what it's like. So yeah, close by it would have been the position we were talking about earlier. That's a Texan in the sky somewhere, you can hear it but we can't see it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, thumbs up would be fantastic. Hope you join us next time. Thanks for watching, bye now.